Without delay, we are pleased to introduce your new manager.
In a new era at the club. Can he bring fresh ideas? We're about to find out. Stay with us on EA TV. And a welcome to Wembley, the home of football. I'm Derek Ray, positioned here on the commentary gantry, and alongside me at the microphone is Stuart Watson. And with the league season about to begin, we have action coming up from the curtain raiser, the Community Shield. It is Manchester City up against Arsenal.
Well, Derek, Community Shield is always an interesting game, just to see how these two teams are progressing. What might the coaches do differently? Are the players fitting up, and will they be challenging for silverware once again this year?
And so they're starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson begins in goal. Bernardo Silva plays alongside Kevin De Bruyne in the centre of midfield. And lining up through the middle in attack today, Erling Haaland. Can he take advantage? Oh, that's an outrageously good stop.
Well, great reflection from the keeper. He did brilliantly there.
And threading it through. And that's a straightforward stop. Well, it's always interesting when a team elects to change things and a new manager is put in place. Make no mistake, Stuart, this club expects the title.
Well, it's a big change, and they need to hit the ground running. The title has to be their aim squad they've got. They need to get off to a good start here.
White. Martin Ødegaard. They know that the wide area is really opening up. Oh, how about that for a tackle? And the referee has awarded a corner following that touch. They're going for the short one. Played into the box. And a super header. It looked as though it might be going in. City get the corner. Well, they weren't able to capitalise. And much of the pre-match focus, you've got to say, on Gabriel Jesus taking on his old club, and that can bring with it a few complications.
Well, for some reason, playing against your old club can be difficult. You just feel that bit of added pressure. I hope it doesn't affect him today.
Great defending here. And Bernardo Silva has it. Well, there's the opening goal. The pressure finally taken, and they get a due reward.
Let's look at this again. One and two touch passes, absolutely outstanding to play around that pressure. And what a finish from Haaland. It gives the keeper absolutely no chance. It's such a powerful strike. Well, that reaction says it all. That's such an important goal in this game.
Arsenal restart the game then, and they have work to do as they try to wipe out that last goal. William Saliba. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Bukayo Saka. Haaland. Can they convert? Not out of the woods yet. Terrific block. Really good interception. Foden. Well, there was impending danger, but good defending. Arsenal wasteful again. Haaland. Bernardo Silva sliding it through. And that, a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. Taken short. Cross into the centre. Still dangerous. And a goal it is from Manchester City. They are the team on course for victory.
Well, I have to say, he's done really well here. He's in the right place and then a decent finish. That's a good goal.
The lead standing at 2-0. Saka. Lots of space for Arsenal. But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. And he has options available. The electronic board delivers the news. 2 minutes of stoppage time. Well, that's as good a challenge as you're likely to see. And with that, the first half comes to an end here at Wembley Stadium. Second half underway here, and Arsenal quite simply need to lift themselves. The threat is there. In the opinion of the referee, that is a penalty. Well, he's avoided a booking, but the complaints continue.
And I can understand why. I think it's a poor foul. It should be a yellow card for me.
This to get back into it. And in it goes, as coolly as you like. Never any doubt from the spot.
Well, as you can see, the keeper just stands still and the ball sits down the side of him. It's a strange one in the end. Well, you can see the frustration in his face. His team have just switched off here.
So back in action, and Arsenal just one behind now. Kevin De Bruyne. The referee blows for a foul. Well, he's gone into the book.
Well, he was late and he deserved the booking for that.
Now they're going to alter things. Here's the substitution. He fancies it. Still a chance. Well, they can bring it out now. Ramsdale has it now. Well, transfer speculation is all part of football, and there's been quite a lot of speculation on this front, but the deal has now been confirmed, Stuart.
Well, I think he'll fit in well to their style of play. He's a skillful player, but the move will just bring out the best of him. It's a good signing for both him and the club.
Making considerable progress with the ball. Mendy. Wasn't totally in control, and a corner kick conceded here. Going short.
Well, I have to say, I've been disappointed with Arsenal's attacking play. They've lacked intensity and a bit of goal. Mind you, they're still in this one.
Well, terrific action coming up for you from the UEFA Super Cup here on EA TV. It's Manchester City facing Sevilla.
Well, Derek, I can't wait for that one. The cup final in front of a full house. What more could you ask for?
That's effective pressure high up the pitch. Great defending here. Well, what can you say? A gilt-edged opportunity to level.
Well, they have to score there. That's a great opportunity to equalise.
A change in the offing for City. Bernardo Silva. Take it away, he won the ball. William Saliba. And City coming away with it. And quick thinking defensively. Martinelli. Gvardiol. Oh, fancy footwork. Trying cross into the middle. But he took care of it defensively. Time and the scoreline against Arsenal. But still they're in this. Corner conceded and came on the defender. So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture. Well, opting for the short corner. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Might really be able to trouble them here. But they dealt with the threat first. De Bruyne now. Walker. Oh, surely! Oh, really commanding goalkeeping. Personnel change then. And how about the short corner? The player. Well cleared away. The player. Here's Bernardo Silva. Very quick thinking there. And full time, most satisfying a victory in the curtain raisers of the season.
Well, it's certainly a good way to start the season. That's just what they wanted. They played really well today, and it's always great to keep winning trophies.
First piece of silverware, and that is never to be sniffed at. The players applaud the fans who have been backing them today.
Well, it's great preparation for the season, Derek, and this is always a nice moment, going up to lift any trophy. Great for those fans as well.
Now for the trophy lift. And with friends and family in attendance, you've always got to really savour these moments when they come around, Stuart.
Well, they've got to enjoy this, Derek, and then get ready for a tough season ahead. They won't be celebrating too much tonight.
Absolutely, Stuart. They all know the show must go on after this. And now the players posing for the images that will be sent around the world.
Well, these are great moments, aren't they? Certainly ones to cherish, and there'll be more of this come the end of the season.
Some questions regarding the match. No further questions, thank you.